I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make $50 every single day using a particular website. I'll show you this website where you can make over $50 every single day. Now, if I click on this place on the screen, click on the asset, you are going to see that I have over 1,739 USDT, US dollars or USDT coin in my wallet right now, which I can decide to click on this withdraw button. The moment I click on this withdraw button, you are going to see that they are giving me two options to withdraw. You're going to see USDT or TRX. So I'm just going to click on USDT, and the moment I click on USDT, you're going to see something like enter quantity. Now the moment I click on enter quantity and I say, okay, let's say maybe I want to withdraw over $50, 50 USDT coin, okay, you are going to see it right here, which is the transaction fee and the actual fee I'm going to be getting. First thing you are going to be doing is you're going to be clicking on withdrawal address. Now you are going to be pasting your USDT address into this box you can see below here. Do you understand? So you should have a USDT address with Bybit, Trust Wallet or Binance. Do you understand? And the moment you do that, you click on submit. The moment you click on submit, this is actually going to be sent to your USDT wallet. But I do not want to withdraw for now, so I'm just going to click on back right here, and I'm going to see my balance. So I'm going to teach you how to make money on this website right now. Now, what is the name of this website? The name of this website is actually CoinRaise. Okay, I'm going to be sending the link. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box below, which is my invite link. So once you click on it, you can be able to be redirected to this website. You're going to see the website right here. This is the homepage. So the next thing you want to do as a newbie is go to the description box below. Do you understand? You're going to be seeing the link. You click on the invite link that is you are going to be using to register. So once you get to this page, you are going to click on register, and once you click on register, you are going to be inputting your email address in this text box. And once you input your email address, do you understand, click on next. Do you understand? Once you click on next, then a code will be sent to your Gmail address, and once you copy that code into this box that is to verify your account will actually be verified. So once you do this, you are going to be getting to the home page I'm going to show you right now. Now, how do you make money on this website? We have color prediction here, and we have top trade. The one I'm going to be putting you through right now is the color prediction, which is the most easiest way to make money. Do you understand? So you are going to be clicking on color prediction, and once you click on it, you are going to get here. What I want you to pay more attention to is you're going to be seeing red, okay, you're going to be seeing purple, and you're going to be seeing green. Now on this page, what you need to do right now is for you to predict if red is actually going to be the next one, or if purple is going to be the next one to be chosen, that is, you know, the next color. Do you understand? And if green is actually going to be the one. So what you want to do right now is, let's say maybe you choose color red and choose this number. Do you understand? And you can be able to input the amount you want to use to place this trade, that is to predict your color. So let's say maybe I enter 2 USDT. Do you understand? At the moment I do that, I'm going to be clicking on trade. Okay, let me click on trade right now. The moment you click on trade and I click on, you know, you see everything on the confirmation page, and I click on trade. Do you understand? You are going to be seeing something on the screen right now. Do you understand? Okay, you can see this is reading. I know a lot of people are not experienced in this, so there is a Telegram group giving the admin of this website. I'm going to drop the Telegram group below, where you are going to be receiving free trade signals. Okay, you're going to be receiving signals that once you just receive the signals, you'll be able to come back to this website, input that signals, follow the signals to place a color trade, and by so doing you can be able to win. Now listen to me very carefully. This is a disclaimer. In order for you not to lose too much of money, because this is actually a trade, this is actually a kind of prediction stuff, just like forex. Do you understand? But this is a form of trade. Now, in order not to lose money or not to feel, you know, hold anyone accountable, you are advised to add at least money that you know that you can actually lose. Let's say maybe $2, $5, $10 or $15, any amount you feel like, even though you lose it, you wouldn't feel too much of weight on you, or you won't feel lost. Do you understand? So now, how do you fund your account should in case you want to trade? Do you understand? How do you fund your account? If you click on navigate to asset right here below the screen, let's click on asset. The moment I click on asset, you can click on recharge. Now you're going to, once you click on this recharge, then you're going to see USDT. Just choose this USDT and type the amount of USDT you want to put. Now you are going to see in this place they say minimum USDT you can put here is $5. So let's say maybe we want to go with 5 USDT, that is 5 USDT dollar coin. Do you understand? So just click on next. So the moment you click on next, you are going to be seeing your TRC wallet, that is the wallet of your trading account by which you are going to be sending 5 USDT into. So you are just going to copy, click on this place to copy it. So once you click on copy, then you are going to be seeing the type of network here. So once you go to your Bybit or any wallet you want to send your 5 USDT from, or any amount you want to recharge into this your wallet, you actually copy this your address, put it into the place, send coin into this address, and it's actually going to reflect into this place. Now you can also go through these considerations that is below here before you send money. You're going to see considerations, deposit and coin transfer will automatically be completed and reflected in your balance within 5 to 10 minutes. And just read these instructions, do you understand, before you actually fund it. You can find any helpful information should in case this site is updated in future as you are watching this video. Do you understand? Or anytime you're watching this video. So let me just go back. So if you want to contact support, that is, you need support, you need guidance on this website, you can be able to click on this doll icon. You're going to see this doll icon here, which I'm cycling on the screen right now. Just click on it and you're going to see places by which you can be able to contact them. You're going to see channel, you're going to see WhatsApp, you're going to see, so you can click on any one of these to place a support, that is to contact a support and actually get directions or whatever you want to ask, any questions you want to ask, do you understand, on this website. So now also I've said it, you can make money through referrals. Okay, you can also make money through referrals. If you click on invite, you click your invitation link, which is here, do you understand, you can make money through referrals. So now listening to me very carefully, make sure you do your due diligence on this website. Make sure you take proper risk management, that is, don't invest too much on this thing at a time. This is just a disclaimer, do you understand? So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much and bye for now.